Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download offline maps on Google Maps. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Google Maps. And as you can see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click search here. Let's say, for example, USA, right? What I'm going to do, as you can see, this is the USA, right? And I wanted to copy, or I wanted to take a screenshot of that place. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click a cancel right here. I'm going to click on my profile icon at the top right, and you're going to see multiple options, and you're going to see an option called offline maps. Go ahead and click on it, and basically just go ahead and click select your own map. Basically you could just go ahead and select the place that you want to copy right here on maybe United States, right? So I'm going to select that place, for example, right? Basically hit download right here, and now you downloaded that place. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.